Hi guys, this is Ju Travel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the dance practice video of BGYO with their new song entitled Headlines. So they just dropped this dance practice video a few hours ago, so I'm really excited to make my reaction and check this dance practice video of them because I really like this group. I'm Aces. Hello Aces. So before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So guys, if you haven't seen my reaction to their dance performance video of this song Headlines, just check on my channel. I just uploaded that one few days ago. So i-check natin to guys, yung dance practice video nila. Headlines, dance practice, BGYO. Umpisa pa lang, hataw na. Galing talaga nila sumayaw sa ang labot ng mga katawan. Ang cool ng suot nila. Ang labot ng mga katawan. Gusto ko rin yung kanta nila. Iba yung tunog ba? Parang international ang dating, at saka yung parang tunog expensive. Galing talaga na sumayaw. Kaya gusto ko tong BGYO kasi ang galing talaga na sumayaw. Ang laki din ng improvements ni JL at saka ni Aki when it comes to dancing sa. Sumabay na din siya ni nila Nate, Jello at saka ni Mickey. One time of Liga. Wow guys, umpisa pa lang, grabe ng hataw nila. Ito yung nakakabilib sa BGYO kasi ang galing nilang sumayaw, ang lambot ng katawan, plus graceful yung pagsayaw nila, plus yung mga facial expression nila, ang cool nila tingnan. Gusto ko rin yung ang suot nila guys, yung parang maluwag na jeans or yung baggy jeans kasi nga parang sumasabay din ba, kitang-kita mo yung lambot nila. So, ito talagang gusto ko, plus yung tunog, yung sounds ng kanta na to na Headlines, parang iba-iba talaga ang dating compare sa mga previous nila. Although yung mga previous music video nila or yung mga songs nila, gusto ko rin kasi nga iba talaga yung dating, iba yung tunog nila. Parang kahit na maluma, pwede mo pa rin silang pakinggan kasi iba yung dating nila. Kasi may iba kasing mga kanta na yung yung parang one time lang na sikat siya, pero pag pagkalipas ng ilang months or ilang years, parang ayaw mo na pakinggan kasi nga parang iba na din yung tunog nila. Itong BGYO, yung mga kanta nila, kahit maluma man, pwede mo pa rin pakinggan. For me lang ha, kasi nga ibang-iba talaga ang dating nila, yung mga kanta nila. Plus, wow, galing lang sumayaw. Ang galing talaga na sumayaw eh. Cool din si Nate sumayaw sa nakaka-enjoy nila tingnan. Ganda nila tingnan talaga sumayaw. Si JL cool, naka-shades. Wow, galing yung sumayaw. Ito talagang gusto ko sa BGYO kasi ang galing lang sumayaw. Tsaka ganda ng song nila na Headlines. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the dance practice video of BGYO with their new song entitled Headlines. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.